This is Dr. Bev Knox, and you are listening to my psychology tutorial series, Learn Psychology While You Sleep. What makes you you? I mean, think about it. Coming from different parts of the globe, we know how to read one another's smiles and frowns. A visitor from outer space would drop in anywhere and find humans dancing and feasting, singing and worshiping, playing sports and games, laughing and crying, living in families and forming groups. Let's go over some definitions. Behavior genetics. Behavior genetics is the study of relative power and limits of genetic and environmental influences on behavior. Environment is every non-genetic influence from prenatal nutrition to the people and things around us. The occasional variations found at particular gene sites in human DNA fascinates many psychologists. Slight person-to-person variations from the common pattern gives clues to our uniqueness. Our genes help explain both our shared human nature and our human diversity. A genome is the complete instructions for making an organism consistent of all the genetic material in that organism's chromosome. So, identical twins develop from a single fertilized egg that splits in two. Thus, they are genetically identical. Most identical twins share a placenta during prenatal development, but 1 out of every 3 sets has separate placentas. Fraternal twins develop from 2 separate fertilized eggs. They share a prenatal environment, but they are genetically no more similar than ordinary brothers and sisters. To study effects of genes and environment, hundreds of researchers have studied some 800,000 identical and fraternal twin pairs. Genes also influence many specific behaviors. For example, compared with rates for fraternal twins, drinking and driving convictions are 12 times greater among those who have identical twin with such a conviction. As twins grow older, their behaviors remain similar. Nature or nurture or both? How do hereditary and environment work together?